Hey guys, my name is Oleg and today I'm gonna show you how to bring some visual variety to your game by creating random lights with blueprints. Okay, let's start by creating a new blueprint. Right mouse click, create blueprint, and we're just gonna create an actor and let's call it BP light. And from that we're gonna create a child blueprint class and we're gonna leave it as it is. I find it very helpful later on because all the changes you make to the main actor are gonna automatically transfer to the child actor. Let's open our BP light and we're gonna add a point light. Here we go. And we're gonna set the attenuation radius to, I don't know, 500 maybe. You can set it to whatever you want. And let's go over to the event graph. We don't need that. Then we're gonna drag in our point light and set the intensity. So right now we just can set it to, I don't know, 10,000. Let's compile and save. And so if we're gonna drag in the child actor, let's place it here. Let's see how it looks. So it just shines with the intensity of 10,000. The next thing we can do is bring some more randomization to the game. And first of all, we're gonna set the point light intensity to 0 because we already setting it to 10,000. Then we're gonna look for a branch. So that means if the condition is true, it's gonna set to the intensity of 10,000. And if it's not, it's gonna set to nothing, basically to the default value, which is 0. But right now it's just the condition is always checked, so it will always be true, but we just can look for a random bool, and now we have a 50-50 chance that it's either gonna be true, so it will set to 10,000, or it's gonna be false and it's gonna set the light to 0. Let's compile and save, and we're gonna test. So it's off, restart, off, and it's on, and it's on, and it's off. And if it's that what you need, you're good to go. You have a light that randomly switches on or off, but we're gonna bring even more randomization to it. So what we can do, we can set the intensity also to a random value. And we're gonna look for random float in range, and we're gonna set it to 5,000 to maximum of 10,000. Here we go. The next thing we can do is make a working light, for example, that is constantly on, or make a broken light that is flickering. Let's copy those parts, Ctrl D to duplicate them. And we're going to connect the false to this new intensity. And we're going to look for a delay. And now it will set the intensity every 0.2 seconds to a value from 5,000 to 10,000. But sometimes we want the light to be completely off. So let's set it to 0. And also it would be not very random if it would be just every 0.2 seconds switching the intensity. So let's duplicate this node again and connect it to the duration. And over here we're gonna set minimum to 0 and maximum to 0.3. And we need to on complete, put the node again back to the set intensity, so it will loop constantly. And let's see what we got. Here we go. I like this approach very much because it looks quite natural, like a real broken light, like a light bulb, and you can play with the values and set it to whatever you want. And if you want to go completely overboard, you can also set random colors. We're just gonna drag in our point light in again and look for set light color. We're gonna connect it to the event begin play. And over here where it says new light color, we're gonna right click and promote to variable, and we're gonna make it public. So right now if we go back into the editor, we can see right here we have the option right now to change the color as we want it. Let's set it just to red and see how it looks. Boom, we have red flickering light. Okay, now how do we add random colors? We can just copy paste this variable, and we're gonna set it to an array. Let's compile and save. And over here now we have the option to add different colors. Let's just go with maybe just again red first, then we will have a blue, and let's have a green. We're gonna drag this value in, this variable I mean, get new light color, and we're gonna look for random array item, and we're gonna connect it to the new light color. Let's turn this off from the other color. Compile and save. And now over here we have our colors. We can also change them. And let's see how it looks when we start. We have constant blue light. We have again blue light, red flickering light, blue flickering light. Come on, give me green. Here we go, green flickering light. And yeah, that's how you can do it. And now the cool part, if we duplicate those lights in our scene and just place them wherever we need them, they're all gonna be random, they're all gonna be different colored, and they all gonna flicker in different synchronicity, so they're not gonna be in sync, and that's what you want from random colors, random lights. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments. I'm a beginner myself, and I'm just sharing whatever I learned from working on my first game. It's gonna be a maze puzzle game, and I hope I can inspire you or help you somehow with your own project. Thank you very much, and bye.